I decided to go to a glory hole today and now I'm crying. Hi, my name is Nick, and I am an 18-year-old boy who has never had a girlfriend, or even kissed a girl. I wouldn't say I'm the most unattractive person ever, but I know girls have liked me before. It was my fault to not act on it. I am an honors student, who has never done drugs, or drink alcohol, which, writing that now is making me feel even more regret. Recently I've been feeling lonelier than ever. With graduation coming up and not having any relationship at all, I felt a sense of panic. I felt like I had to do something. Please note that I do watch a lot of porn, and talk to strangers all the time, so this didn't seem that new to me. I saw an ad for a glory hole on the way back from spring vacation. I knew what they were, so I wasn't blindsided in any way, so I texted the number and sure enough, got a response. We exchanged information, and he said I had the good to go, so I went to his house and he was waiting there, with a sheet covering the wall, only for a small hole to be seen. On the way there I lost twice, and kept feeling more and more nervous the closer I got, but in my head I just kept saying you're an adult now, you can